If you've got a Chimney Services business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform for your Chimney Services. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We've pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, Chimney Services. There is an option for a chimney sweep, but for this one specifically, I'm going to go ahead and select services. Great. Let's Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will work its magic and create a simple website for your business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're also completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. Very professional looking. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your Mighty Sites website. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services and you want to change it up a bit, you can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. You don't need to have any web professional skills. You don't have to have any web development skills either. And you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. Definitely going to make you feel like a web professional over here. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. Physical location, you can leave it off. Maybe you are a mobile business, but if you want to put it in, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website to get more engagement to your social channels. Now, if you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section better. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, all you need to do is click on that update section button. Underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's literally hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the options to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. Underneath update actions where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons and where they link to, you can even upload a PDF file. If you take online bookings through a third party, you can put in the URL over here so your customers can click on that button and make an appointment with you. And the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily get in touch with you, keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, click on that button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain, well, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the Mighty Sites platform for your Chimney Services. And I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.